Alright everybody, we made it to Laguna.
I don't know my BMW. It's E36, dude.
Little baby turbo, this is so awesome. Super clean.
Oh, the head on all three, but you're wrong.
Am I wrong? Okay, what are the three?
Good morning everybody, it is currently like 5 something in the morning. I don't know, I've been up since like probably close to 4 o'clock this morning. We're going to be heading to Laguna Seca Cars and Coffee. Let's go. I don't know if my camera's picking it up because it does not film well in the dark. I haven't figured out the settings yet, but basically the plan for today, we're gonna go to the Cars and Coffee and let the 4Runner warm up because it's flipping cold out right now. We're gonna pick up my boy Luke from LJC Cars. We'll put a link in the description of his channel. I'm gonna pick up my buddy Jackson. He'll probably be swinging this camera. Yeah, meet up some other guys, hopefully meet some cool people, see some cool cars. Let's get a move on. Alright everybody, we made it to Laguna. The gentleman over there was super nice. He let us park right in the middle in the dirt. Got some cool stuff pulling in. We got a, oh, it's a Hellcat. It's not that cool, but we got some cool cars here already. We got the boys. Luke's got his gimbal out. It's gonna be so fun. Sorry the camera's so shaky. It's so freaking cold. It's freezing out here. Low key is this, bro?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a Prius, but
As a daily though.
I mean, you don't want a daily like something like the GTR, bro. You can still cruise in your low routes, bro. Where? Oh, let's go. Low-key, this is kind of sick. I bet this guy does Gambler. 100% he does Gambler 500.
That's
A bunch of US flags on Japanese car. It's actually kind of funny.
Is it Japanese?
Subaru. Oh, glory flying in the wind. Wait, it's a Lexus?
Yeah, it's a Lexus.
Bro.
Not that you'd be able to
Wait, I thought it was a Subaru. What the action? Bro, South Dakota.
It was a
Checks
turbo.
out. Checks out. Here we go. More lifted Yodas. Or at least one.
There's your buddy, kid.
Yes, sir. Oh, it's a 4Runner. Let's go. Yes, sir.
This is included.
Yeah, dude. Still an insane looking car.
Oh, it's super.
Yeah.
It's gonna be skid pad.
Yeah.
When I was up there, and it was like the cleanest E6 I've seen my entire life.
I love it. Little baby turbo. This is so awesome. This thing is so sick.
They weigh like that thing too.
I bet that thing's fast as frick.
It's got the 5 like. Oh my god, guys.
No.
Okay, Buick GNX pulling up.
Wait, what?
There's a Buick.
Oh!
Get over there.
No idea. I think.
You should try to the opposite.
Very nice.
don't have to in the back.
I was literally neck and neck, and then at 100 he just pulls off.
Hey, why am I giving a crap about the mustard, bro? This Viper is so sick. Dude, the Pearl sounds so
Tires.
yeah.
Which doesn't. I still think the interior is one of the. Look at the interior. Look at
Dude,
how
the gated
clean
shifter.
that is.
So clean. Bro, are we paying any attention to the exhaust? Bro. Looks freaking wild. Yeah, I got the respect for the Ford GT, bro. It's so sick.
So, fuel filler cap up at the front.
Bro.
Oh my gosh. This is literally good.
Yeah. Yo, those are
Damn, barely 11.
The Q50, the Z, and the SI.
Oh, there's an R34.
Is it? Oh, it is an R34, yeah. Mark IV.
Is that a Tesla with a wing? What the actual?
No.
Bro, no.
Don't focus on the Tesla.
But look at this lineup. There's a Supra, there's a Hilux, we got some big real trucks, R34, Romero, a True Cobra. Bro.
Oh, that's one of the best sounding cars of all time.
Woo! We got the. I don't understand this Tesla.
Please tell me you're making a full-length Cars and Coffee video.
Oh, that is happening, my guy.
Yeah.
We are covering literally everything that comes through.
We have two
Look at, all right.
Mark IVs, a K truck. There's an R34.
Dude, this Supra and then a Hilux, and then of course we got the big trucks. You know, if you know me, I love my big trucks. But still, this original Hilux, the Supra. Oh,
Dude,
bro.
I didn't think it would be this big of a Cars and Coffee. 240 SX.
Dude, this is my dream truck, bro.
He's giving it some revs.
Oh, and an R34 GTR.
With the strawberry.
That's old.
G35.
GTT, that's why.
Oh,
I knew it. I actually
it's still
think those are
sick.
cooler. I actually think those are cooler because I like the rims on those better.
Still freaking sick.
Agreed.
This K truck, this little Hijit, that's tough. S15,
Dude, it's still like
R35, and of course the L5P Denali. You can't go wrong with an L5P.
That's still so. Who'll be making that noise? Is it the Sylvia?
Dude,
I mean, you can't say that Mark IV Supra is underrated because it's not.
It is not.
But like,
R35. Oh yeah, finally the Nolly. Moving. Dude, it's like kind of a chase truck. That's sick. Hit me with that Duramax spool. Fully deleted. It's so sick. Dude, that's the cleanest 7.3 I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Oh, Micah rocking the Lexus. Oh, and Jaden's Lexus, bro.
that is Lexus? Ones are like $5 million cars.
Yeah.
That's a kit.
Yeah.
It looks like a Factory 5, which is a brand that does the kits. But
Hey, yeah, let's walk over here. I'm trying to see.
Oh, it's a dude driving.
I did a little bit. It's a Mercedes. Holy. Yo.
Bro.
That is a build engine. Dude, I don't know if that. I can't tell engine swap or just if they came with like a really big engine stock.
That's so sick.
Both Camaros. Well, yeah.
Yeah, that thing's super clean.
Oh, the headlights are so cool. Honestly, the way it's like flat headlights is really good.
Bro, this has to be the cleanest 7.3 power stroke, at least I think. I don't know. If I screw up, the smartest people in the world will correct me in the comments. But bro, this has to be the cleanest 7.3 this power stroke I've seen. Like no freaking rust. Then we got this L5P like chase truck build, registered in North Carolina. This is sick. Oh yeah.
All three, but you're wrong.
Am I wrong? Okay, what are the three?
Macintosh,
Oh, okay.
BBS,
Oh, yeah, okay.
painted calipers.
Oh, that was what I was missing.
Remember all that now.
I will.
I couldn't afford the $4,000, so I had to go without strike.
You guys got these. Hey, that's cool though. Those are
These are your guys right here?
Ford's 100th anniversary. Look at the right headlight, 100. Yeah.
Oh
Did you guys know that?
Oh yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Do you see that though?
Yeah.
I was like, oh, that's really. I think it's for the anniversary.
For the anniversary.
But either way, that's really
You know
cool.
where they were trying to, like, it was Doug DeMiro.
Well, everybody say that was a good show. Saw some cool stuff. We got the park up front with the 4Runner, which is pretty sick. Still a bunch of freaking people here. Holy crap, my camera's not focused. But yeah, other than that, I think it was a successful show. Peace.